My name is Janine Randano with the Maravest Realty, and welcome to 16649 Carrera Way, Unit 202. Located in Naples, Florida, in the luxurious gated golf course community of Talis Park. This 2,950 square foot penthouse condo lives like a home with 3 bedrooms, all with ensuite baths, a den or office, and an additional half bath. French oak porcelain tile floors run throughout with carpet in the 2 guest bedrooms. The kitchen has all stainless steel KitchenAid appliances, a wet bar, and a dining area. 90-degree pocket sliders open onto an expansive 704 square feet wraparound loggia with lake views and clubhouse views. Enjoy watching sunsets with western exposure. This unit is located at the end of a quiet cul-de-sac and steps to the private community pool, grills, and mailboxes. Carrera Talis Park includes 90 spacious penthouse-style units of maintenance-free condo living. Talis Park's golf course was designed by Greg Norman and Pete Dye and is ranked by Golf Digest as one of Florida's top 20 courses. A short bike ride or golf cart drive will take you to the new clubhouse, voted Clubhouse of the Year in 2016 by Golf Inc. magazine. The Vine House offers formal dining, a cafe, Pilates or yoga studio, core fitness, and this free spa. Talis Park is now offering a private beach shuttle to Vanderbilt Beach. Contact me, Janine Randano, to set up a private tour at 239-405-2994 or Janine@sellsnapleshomes.com.